Hey guys, so today we are using this 12 inches breathable cap loose wave 5x5 closer lace wig. This is a human hair and this wig is completely glueless and the cap is very breathable, as you guys can see on the video, and also it's come with an adjustable strap that can be removed if you don't want to use it. And also I love the fact that the wig came with cross, which is very nice. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure that I use the whip cap, and then I'm gonna use my ebony lace tinted spray. Obviously, if you guys watch my video, you guys know that this is one of my favorite tools when it's come for my wig. So we're not gonna do anything to this wig. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure that I adjust the elastic to the side that of my head, that way we can wear this wig glueless. Like how I mentioned, this wig is completely glueless. This is the perfect example of what a glueless wig mean, because on this video we're not going to use any type of product to secure this wig beside what I just did, which is adjusted the elastic band. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean out my metal part, as you guys can see, and you guys can see how far the line go. I love when companies or brands that make wigs do that, because that just make the wig looks more realistic. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the lace. This wig is a perfect example of a beginner friendly wig, because obviously you don't have to do anything. It doesn't require any type of work. You don't have to bleach the knots, you don't have to plug the wig. Literally, you can just take the wig out of the box and then put it in your hair, as you guys gonna see here on this video. So after cutting the lace that I have, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how everything looks like. You guys can see how perfect it looks like, and I haven't do anything to it. So I'm gonna go ahead, brush the hair as well as possible. As you guys can see, I'm gonna mess up the cross a little bit, and after that I'm gonna use my hot comb to lay down the hair. And obviously, if you guys will like to purchase this amazing wig, I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description bar, and also I have a 20% discount with them, which you guys can use to get some money off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this melting spray, and this doesn't glue down your wig, so don't think like I'm using a glue or anything. This doesn't glue down your wig. The only thing that this melting spray does is to make your hairline looks more natural, especially if you have that white cap in your hairline. You can just go ahead and clean it with that, but it doesn't glue down your wig or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the elastic band that came with the wig, and you guys can see how everything looks like. I crossed the hair out of the camera, but honestly you don't have to curl this wig, because like how you guys saw at the beginning, the wig came with curls, and honestly the wig looks perfect. Especially if you're in a rush, you can just go ahead, take the wig out of the box and put it in your head. But I decided to do it because I wanted a little bit of volume, a little bit of drama, just to kind of like test the hair a little bit and see if the hair get the heat properly. Obviously it does. As you guys can see, I have beautiful curls, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, make sure that everything looks exactly like how I wanted before I go ahead and take out the elastic band that I just put. So like how I mentioned, all the information of this wig will be down below in the description bar, the direct link of the wig, my discount code, and all the information that you guys would like to know about this wig. So I highly recommend you guys to get this wig, especially if you are beginners friendly. And yeah, so this is the final result, as you guys can see. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and thank you so much for Nyx Hair by sending me this amazing unit. Honestly, I really love it. It's one of my favorite wigs right now because it's so easy to manage, so easy to put on, and honestly I can recommend this wig enough. And yeah, I'm in love with it. So check out my description box. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this mini tutorial. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.